A lot of people ask me all the time, I saw your video on jet ski covers. What about this one? Or what about this? Or what if I do this? Or is this going to... Bro, you don't have to listen to me whatsoever. All right? You don't. My takeaway is keep your ski covered when it's sitting outside. If your ski is perpetually inside, take the cover off, open up the hatches, open up the seat, and let it ventilate. But if you keep your ski on a trailer out in your backyard, keep it covered. If you're driving to your local launch ramp that's 2 miles from your house, keep it covered. If you're driving across the state or several states, take the cover off. Why? Because I've shown in detail, and I've shown, not me talking into the camera, but actually shown up close, high resolution footage of what the constant whipping of the best covers on the planet, some of the worst, some of the best, and even the canvas covers that they ship your brand new ski to the dealership will do to the surface of your paint and to your acrylic finish. I've shown it. I've visualized it. I don't know what more to do. All right. The rub marks. All right. That's my big thing is rub marks. A lot of people are scared about rocks being kicked up and getting chips, and that is road debris. You need to make the decision, is where I'm going with my ski on a trailer. Is it worth the threat of road debris and then polishing out my ski and getting all the rub marks out of all the plastics and all the paint and possibly burning the paint from constant rubbing if I'm driving cross country? Or is it worth going without the cover? And does my vehicle provide enough coverage or protection, like a motorhome or a big van or a big lifted truck or something like that, that I'm pretty confident that the ski's not going to get hit with a bunch of rocks and pebbles and hailstones and whatever. That is your decision. It's not mine. Don't ask me. I don't know. You need to make that call. All I can do is provide you information, present it to you, and then have you make an informed decision. So that is what I've done. I've shown that there are some brands of jet ski covers that are hot burning garbage. Okay? They're made out of freaking canvas material that you make your backpacks out of. And then there's some that are made with lamb's wool and they're super soft and they're beautiful and they latch on and they look great. And you're like, man, this thing's beautiful. Oh my gosh. But then they whip, and then they come uncovered. And then you only have the bow of your ski whipping, with the bow of the skis covered and the back of it's whipping around like this. And you're like, nah, next time I pull over, I got to put the cover back on. And then you go and you cinch tie it and you tension it and you drive another 150 miles and all of a sudden whips off again. You're like, oh. All right. All good quality covers have ventilation. Yamaha had that little breathing plastic pre-molded breather. They're trying to mitigate pressure by having vacuum. And that's ideal. You want the cover to suck in. And if you see a good cover and the ski, it's like totally sucked in on it, you're like, oh, okay, it's like a vacuum. It's like a vinyl wrap or it's vacuum sealed. I've seen so many of them go bad. And they're expensive. They're $300, if not more. If someone imparts information and says, this is what I've found, or this is the experience that I've got, and you come at them going, but what if, dude, you're asking for permission. You don't need permission from me. You can do whatever the hell you want. You can wrap that ski in Reynolds wrap tinfoil. I don't care. Okay. That's up to you. All I can do is provide a little bit of info and hopefully it helps you. That's it. That's as far as I can take it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out.
This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.